Dearest heart. Most people do not realize that as they continue to find things to complain about, they disallow their own physical well-being. Many do not realize that before they were complaining about an aching body or a chronic disease, they were complaining about many other things first. It does not matter if the object of your complaint is about someone you are angry with. Behavior in others that you believe is wrong, or something wrong with your own physical body. Complaining is complaining, and it disallows improvement. Dollars are not the root of happiness, but they are not the root of evil either. They are the result of how somebody lines up energy. If you don't want dollars, don't attract dollars. But we say to you, your criticism of others who have dollars holds you in a place where things you do want, like wellness and clarity and well-being, cannot come to you either. Type yes if you believe in this.